Alright, so I am in Pak Chong. I took a couple of buses to get here, and not gonna lie, it's been a bit of a bust so far. The national park is a must-do. Check out some waterfalls and just look for snakes and elephants and bears and leopards. But yeah, we'll see how this goes. Note to self, maybe rent a bike in Pattaya, because I was concerned about the roads, but honestly the roads look like they're fine. So far, not as planned. The trip is still young. Okay, so flying solo in Pak Chong and decided to look up some nice restaurants. This one looks beautiful. I'll show you what it looks like. This nice kind of fancy restaurant here called the River Curve, and of course you gotta order nuggets because nuggets are good, but I also got this chicken lime, so hopefully it's good. They serve you here, which is nice. Okay, so I told myself that I would spend 100 baht per day or per meal, just cause I don't know why, because I came to this restaurant and this is 185 baht, but it just looks so good. I mean, how can I not have it? We are at the Khao Yai National Park. Going to spend a full day here.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun.
Well, we're in the middle of the jungle, so you gotta watch out for monkey power. And this is stop number 1.
We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy.
So I am at Khao Yai National Park and the Khao Swat waterfall. Won't be able to see it yet, but you might be able to see a glimpse. So it's down there, you can kind of see through the trees, but let's get a closer look.
Don't need no more, even in the hard times.
I don't know if this is the one that was in the beach or not, but this may have been the waterfall on the beach. We're hiking down some stairs, not sure where we're going here. Just filming this because this is not going to be fun on the way back up whatsoever. Oh, I'm at this Khao Swat waterfall. You thought it was beautiful from the top. You should see it when you're up close and personal with this thing. Wow. Just wow. Unfortunate. Alright, look at this thing. Look at this. Only thing is, I wish I could go swimming in it, but wow. Wow. This is one of two. This is one of two. Well, I didn't know I'd be doing some rock climbing when it came to this waterfall, but I just want to get closer and closer. Pretty cool little place. This would be a sick bush party. Made a new friend over there. He's doing a photo shoot. Why wouldn't you? Look at that. Look at that view. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Let's see if I can get over here. All right. We're like in a little bit of a cave under this this waterfall right there. Beautiful view. Oh yeah, maybe over there. Okay, now it's time for the terrible climb upwards. Met a new friend. Steep. Whew. Dangerous. Steepest steps ever. Okay. Going to find our second waterfall. So the good news is steps aren't as steep as they were, but it is a bit longer of a hike. It's a kilometer hike. The other one was only 200 meters. And I'm solo, so check it out. Saw lots of animals, tons of monkeys, no elephants yet. Apparently it's pretty rare to see wild elephants. Be nice to have a buddy here, but you do what you do. Situation of waterfall is danger. Nice. I can hear it. Oh shit, there it is. Okay. Alright. Khao Yai Rock waterfall. We're at the top. Let's see if we can go to the bottom and see what this looks like there, bear view. Okay, so I said the stairs weren't going to be as bad. Maybe I was wrong. We'll see. These steps aren't very long. I have fairly big feet, but this is pretty steep. Not so bad going down. Going up's going to suck though. Oh my god, you can see the stairs all the way down there. Oh my god, that climb is going to be brutal. Seriously, these climbs are a little steep, but I can kind of see the waterfall over here, so I am excited to see what the view looks like. Okay, alright, so I got to the waterfall. Y'all aren't gonna believe this. This is probably the most beautiful thing I've seen in my life. This is insane. I can't believe it. Alright, you ready? You ready? You're gonna like this. Look at that. Well, some very nice Thai people just took a photo of me at this waterfall. Honestly, I don't even want to leave. I don't even want to leave. Look at this. My phone is getting soaked. Alright, so I just saw the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in nature in my life. But now, I have to climb all the way up there. And it just keeps going, like it goes higher and higher and higher. This is not gonna be fun. Waterfall is nice though. Monkeys are causing a traffic jam. There's a big one up there. Man, right in the middle of the road.